Are you looking for that right size express cruiser? Then come with me for a quick walk around tour on Grand Cru. She's a grand vessel. It even says so in the name. She's loaded with features bow to stern. She's got a covered windlass, nighttime spotlight, an awesome double wide lounge pad here, and at the transom we have an extended swim platform, so you can even put deck chairs out there while you enjoy the barbecue that's in deck mounted back there. The cockpit is set up, can seat 8 to 10 people in comfort. She's got the required electronics, GPS, chart plotter, radar, so she's an all-weather boat. Down below she has fresh carpet in there for a bright, open, airy interior, odor-free, neat and clean. The boat has been very well maintained and loved, and we're just waiting for the next person to continue the tradition on Grand Cru. She's a grand boat. It even says so in the name. Here we have a starboard view on Grand Cru, this 34 Cruisers yacht with twin 8.1 MerCruiser gas engines. We see we've got some nice, sleek, sexy lines. Coming around to the bow, note we have a covered windlass, anchor there, and foot pedals for easy maneuvering and easy anchoring right there. Pulling back, we have a nighttime spotlight right there to help us with our nighttime travels. Coming down along the port side, we have some additional features, one which I call an LLI, ladies like it. We have an oversized double wide lounge pad right there. Note we have 3 round hatches to allow air and light into the cabin below. We also have some paddle board holders right here. We have that curved Taylor tinted windshield, which we're seeing less and less on modern boats. Here at the radar arch, which is aluminum, we have our VHF antenna, our Raymarine radar, and a GPS right there. Here's something those of us of a certain age will remember. We have wing windows. Yes, they open and allow more ventilation into the cockpit. Our radar arch is aluminum, and at this age we do have some bubbling, something that can easily be taken care of. At the transom, we have an extended swim platform. Note the sea decking, which updates the boat and gives it a little bit more modern look. We have our covered boarding ladder and Weaver snap davit set up right there. The best thing here is this is large enough for 2 deck chairs to sit and enjoy the view of this great harbor right here. And while you're at it, we also have an in-deck table mount there, and we currently have our stainless steel barbecue set up. Stepping aboard Grand Cru, off in the corner here, we have our fender holders built in right there. Water fills, fuel fills on both sides also. We've got trunk storage here, and that's where our shore power cords plug in. We have a washdown pump off on this side and a shower to rinse off. This is an overview of the seating area here, and we enter the vessel through this offset door, and immediately in front of us we have our wet bar with a basin. It's all formed in fiberglass, which is easy to care for. Lots of counter space. You could just put a nice charcuterie tray right there. And then down below we have our refrigerator for beverages. Now as we circle around, this gives us a view of our seating area right here. There is storage up underneath. Note, we've got lots of speakers for great sound. We've got our cocktail table there also. And then engine access is right up through this hatch right here. From here, we up 2 steps, and then we have another LLI feature. Ladies like it. We have our fore and aft facing chaise seating. Access to that lounge pad is easy. Up these formed in fiberglass steps. Note the grab rail there, and then out through the window. Here at the helm, we have a double wide seat for you and a companion, and they have the thigh rise bolsters there. Here at the helm, we have our C80 Raymarine GPS chart plotter. Below, we have all of our rocker switches for control. And then in front of us, we have our gauges. We've got a dual gauge package. One added feature here is the rudder angle control right there. There's about 917 hours on these engines, and they've been very well cared for. Now as we pull back, we see we have our VHF radio right here. And there's our wing window for air. Circling back around, this gives us an overview of the cockpit. We've got an oversized bimini here and a camper back canvas, which actually comes down. We're coming into season. We'll probably take it down and have the boat look sleeker and sexier. We enter the cabin through this center line door and down a few steps. Cruisers Yachts does an excellent job. Notice on the stairs the wood inserts and the grab rail for safety as we enter and exit the vessel. Off to the port, we've got our galley. Notice the wood cabinetry right there. It's solid cherry wood. We've got our microwave, Corian countertop and backsplash. Has a nice modern look. We have a covered basin there with another pull-out sprayer. This owner has upgraded the interior, removed the carpet, and added this seagrass type carpeting in here. It lightens up the interior, brightens it up, helps to keep it fresh, cleaner, and helps to modernize the look on this boat. There's another view of the galley with our refrigerator off in the corner, dual burner glass top stove, and a bottle of Jameson's. Pulling back, this gives us yet another view of the interior. We have our U-shaped seating, solid cherry table, and that also converts to a sleeping area. And moving forward, here's another feature which seems everyone likes. We have a full fiberglass lined head, vacuum flush toilet, vanity, formed in basin, easy to care for, easy to clean. And you gotta like this, we have a shower big enough for 2, even has a seat in it. We have a mirrored medicine cabinet right there and a hatch for ventilation. As we move forward, we've got a curtain to close this area off for a bit of privacy, a hanging locker. Our bed there is long enough for someone over 7 feet tall to seat comfortably. At some point, we all appreciate the steps to get up into the bed rather than having to crawl up over each other. We've got gunnel storage, and again, it's all wood cabinetry all the way around. And then let's not forget our flat screen TV. Coming down along the side, we see that sofa again. Notice how bright the interior is on this. We've got more gunnel storage and cabinets, 12-volt outlet. Here at our power panel, we've got multiple systems. Our Shore Power 1, Shore Power 2, generator start and control. We have a tank watch system, galvanic isolator, and our 12-volt system is down below. There's our Clarion stereo. And then this is nicely covered with an acrylic door right there. We have our thermostat for temperature control. And then moving aft, we have a very large L-shaped mid-berth here. It fills in also for a double-wide sleeping area. Headroom for a 6-footer to sit comfortably. And then, kind of hard to see, but it's full beam and extends back there. You can see it's a great area for additional storage. Grand Cru is neat, clean, odor-free, very well powered, ready for the next owner. Viewer today, owner tomorrow from South Mountain Yachts.